And we'll finish up this chapter with a quick review of the rise of the mammals. So mass extinctions are often followed by periods of evolutionary change and sometimes the rapid appearance of species. The main reason why is because animals that are living, or plants, live in a habitat, they have a particular role or niche that they do. And when they're killed, wiped out due to extinctions, other organisms now have a chance to utilize those resources, adapt, evolve to those resources. So often when there's mass extinctions, there's rapid periods of evolutionary change. So new species arose in Earth's history as organisms adapted to occupy new habitats or fill in vacated community roles or niches. Things like predators, herbivores, carnivores, photosynthetic organisms, producers, for example. And this has happened in Earth's, after Earth's major extinction events that have occurred in Earth's history. So fossil evidence shows that a number of mammal species increased rapidly, including marsupials and the true placental mammals, after the extinction of the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. So at that point, when the dinosaurs were eliminated, well, most of them became extinct about 65 million years ago. Most mammals were fairly small mammals, shrew-like, rat-like mammals. With the extinction of the dinosaurs, that allowed mammals to expand into new territories and eventually adapt into new niches and roles, and in a way take over the role of the dinosaurs had for about 150 million years. So for a lot of Earth's relatively recent history, the dinosaurs were the dominant organisms on land and in the water. The largest terrestrial animal before 65 million years ago was a dinosaur, and the largest aquatic animal also was a dinosaur. So, but after they went extinct, the only remnant dinosaurs left became the modern birds. But that opened up the window in a way for the evolution and dominance of mammals. So the largest terrestrial animal today is a mammal, and the largest aquatic animal today is a mammal as well. Our African elephant and the blue whale. And that is it for this chapter.